10 food trends that will be everywhere this summer. As summer approaches, there will be a wide variety of delectable foods and beverages available. The garden will serve as an inspiration for popular flavor profiles, including herbs, edible flowers, and fresh fruits and vegetables. Easy day drinking is the rage when it comes to popular beverage trends. For a day at the beach or a summer barbecue, consider low-ABV beverages, non-alcoholic spirits, and a plethora of new canned cocktails. Here's what we expect to see more of this summer. Number 1. Passion fruit. From Vonbee Passion Fruit Honey Puree, a Korean product that is becoming more and more well-liked in the United States, to White Claw's new Passion Fruit Hard Seltzer, passion fruit is enjoying a moment in the summer sun. In the previous 12 months, searches for Passion Fruit Honey Puree increased 1,050% on Google Trends as customers look for the well-liked item available at some Costco locations. Passion fruit gives beverages and sweets acidic tropical flavors. Passion fruit puree combined with Ellenos Greek Yogurt is one of my personal favorites, a Seattle specialty sold in retail locations nationwide. On eatingwell.com, passion fruit-related articles and recipes had a 1,469% increase in views in April compared to the same month last year. Number 2. Cucumber everything. Why do recipes become popular online? Supposedly anything that contains cucumbers. A crisp, reviving summer vegetable is the cucumber. They are easily accessible, reasonably priced, and also have some positive health effects. It might be for this reason that every time we post a new cucumber recipe, it just takes off. The unknown. Perhaps there is a certain nostalgia that draws people to cucumber sandwiches right now. According to one reviewer, my grandma, who is very British, used to make nursery tea and cucumber sandwiches for my sisters and me. Number 3. Baby bok choy. Simple dishes that dress up the fresh produce in a tasty sauce that cooks up quickly so that it can shine. So which vegetables are popular this year? 1 is baby bok choy. Compared to previous year, there was a 176% increase in interest in baby bok choy in April. Baby bok choy cooks quickly, making it a fantastic weeknight side dish. Like its cruciferous cousins, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and kale, it is also packed with nutrients. Number 4. Matcha. A finely ground green tea powder known as matcha has centuries-old cultural roots in China and Japan. The tea is generally served whisked into hot water and has a distinctive brilliant green color. In recent years, matcha has grown in popularity in the United States. It can now be found as a flavor in a variety of products, including deodorant, coffee mix, and sweets like Pocky and Kit Kat. Compared to April of last year, matcha interest increased 376% on eatingwell.com. Number 5. Lavender. Perhaps the increased amounts of stress we have all been experiencing over the past several years has caused us to seek out comforting dishes and ingredients. Some meals get a warm nostalgic touch from lavender. It is frequently used as a component in blends of herbs de Provence. The herb also has medicinal uses for relaxing. Lavender has been demonstrated to help with stress reduction in aromatherapy. From cheesecake to lemonade and cocktails, lavender-infused beverages and sweets are becoming more and more popular. Compared to previous year, interest in lavender as an ingredient increased by 514%. Number 6. Hibiscus. Hibiscus, which is widely available in many nations as a herbal tea and a cooking ingredient, gives beverages and foods like tacos a tart, flowery flavor and a stunning crimson color. I just adore hibiscus tea, claims Carolyn Malkin. Hibiscus tea is not only tasty, but it also provides health advantages. It has antioxidants like anthocyanins and other substances that could decrease blood pressure. Hibiscus is becoming more and more common in cosmetic products due to its alleged anti-aging benefits, as well as being used as a flavor in drinks like Q Mixer's ginger beer and the hibiscus-based liqueur sorrel. Number 7. Ice cream, reinvented. Expect all of your ice cream dreams to come true this summer, and then some. Next Level ice cream is now available in tastes including everything bagel spice, mango sticky rice, and others. Additionally, ice cream sandwiches are currently popular. Traffic to ice cream sandwich recipes increased by 136% in April compared to the same month last year. Number 8. Edamame. A serving of soy contains 18 grams of protein and is inexpensive and adaptable. Although soy occasionally receives a poor rap when it comes to health, it actually has some advantageous qualities for your heart and brain. Eating protein from plants rather than meat is also beneficial for the environment. As Malkin stated earlier this year, Americans could reduce greenhouse gas emissions by an estimated 82 million metric tons yearly if they substituted 25% of their beef, hog, and chicken consumption with plant proteins. Number 9. Canned cocktails. You should anticipate to see more canned cocktails in the cooler as far as trendy beverage trends are concerned. According to Google Trends, interest in best canned drinks has increased by 850% over the past year, while search inquiries for canned margarita brands have increased by 700%. Number 10. Non-alcoholic drinks. Compared to before the pandemic, fewer people are drinking alcohol. While some people are completely quitting, others are soberly intrigued. You're not the only one who makes occasional sacrifices, like trying dry January, or who choose low-ABV drinks. Mocktail and non-alcoholic beverage interest increased 40% and 41%, respectively, in April over the previous year. This summer, remember to pack some beers in the cooler for simple day drinking. Cerveza Atletica from Athletic Brewing Company is crisp and clean, perfect for cracking open in the sweltering summer heat. Or, if you enjoy craft beer and seltzer, try Hopler's sparkling waters. You can purchase a cool drink by your preferred brew. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.